you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. I ain't hitting, boy. Yeah. Appreciate it, bro. How's it going, man?
Good, you?
What you running there?
8 platinum 12s on 4 8Ks.
Yes, sir.
We're back in business, boys. We're back in business. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business, boys. We're back in. The time comes when a man can face it. The time comes when a man can face it. We're back in business, boys. We're back in. We're back in business, boys. We're back in.
With my problem solving, my patriot, goon up and get tuned up. So to my camp. What about your camp? To any of my loved ones and soil tested it. Do. The lifesavers up in this. One top of it, boys, the letter. Sophisticated dog training attack. You gotta do some wrong. Got hella shit going on. What else? I ain't paranoid. I'm. You gotta be on your P's and even when you can.
We're back in business, boys.
Thank you. That thing cutting up, man. Let them know where they can find you on social media, man.
That Loud Blazer on TikTok.
Your door handle's gone.
Hell yeah. Ripping it all to pieces.
Man, I appreciate the demo, man.
Yes, sir.
You got a few seconds, you can get a quick demo in?
Yeah.
Just a few seconds, yeah. You wanna get one here? Okay. He got a few seconds for you.
You kids ain't got no clothes.
We're back in business, boys. We're back in. We're back in business, boys. We're back in. We're back in business, boys. We're back in.
I'm interested in picking up a few hot dollars. I'm interested in picking up
Appreciate
a few
it,
hot
man.
dollars.
Voltage dropping.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
No, I just got in, man. I just got in.
You gonna give me just a quick one? Give me just.
I'll feel it. They used to get this heavy. Did you get in there now?
Yeah, man, y'all couldn't.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.